Having Wi-Fi dead zones at home? Here's how to boost your signal with the powerful Netgear EX7300 Nighthawk AC2200 extender. Let's start with what you'll need. A power outlet, the EX7300 extender and your existing Wi-Fi network details. Step 1. Plug your extender into a power socket halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. If it doesn't, press the power button once. To connect fast, use WPS. Press the WPS button on your router, then within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender. Once connected, the power, WPS and router LEDs on your EX7300 will turn solid green. Do not forget to hit subscribe button for more setup videos. No WPS? No problem. On your device, connect to the Netgear_EXT network for manual setup method. Open a browser and go to mywifi.ext.net. Select your existing Wi-Fi, enter the password, and follow on-screen steps. Once setup is done, place your extender midway between your router and your dead zone. A green device LED means good placement. If this helped, like and subscribe to FixMyWiFi now for more setup videos and troubleshooting tips. Click on the chat link in description for quick assistance.